Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judi in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about sweet potatoes, and I have a list of specific food and flavor combinations. So if you're looking for some specific recipe or meal ideas using sweet potatoes, hopefully this will help you out. Now this list is very long, and this is part one out of two different videos. So stay tuned for part two, and hopefully this will help you out. Combine sweet potatoes with allspice, cinnamon, ginger, maple syrup, and nutmeg, and some vanilla if you want. Combine sweet potatoes with almond milk, cinnamon, maple syrup, nutmeg, and possibly some vanilla. Combine sweet potatoes with almonds, almond milk, and apples. Sweet potatoes with apples and ginger. Sweet potatoes with avocado, black beans, and chilies. Sweet potatoes with balsamic vinegar, kale, and sage. Sweet potatoes with bell peppers, garlic, and onions, as in a hash. Sweet potatoes with black beans, cilantro, and mango, as in a salsa. Sweet potatoes with black beans and salsa, as in filling for a tortilla. Sweet potatoes with browned butter and sage. Sweet potatoes with brown sugar, cinnamon, and vanilla. Sweet potatoes with brown sugar and citrus juice. Sweet potatoes with brown sugar and ginger. Or sweet potatoes with ginger, lime, and salt. Well, I do hope this helps. Bye for now.